Welcome back to Global Bike Buzz, where the latest and greatest rides meet passionate reviews. Today, we're diving deep into the brand new 2025 Yamaha SR 450, a bike that perfectly blends classic spirit with modern innovation. Let's fire it up and see what this machine is really all about. From the first glance, the SR 450 grabs attention with its timeless styling. At the front, Yamaha has kept things clean and elegant, and the classic round headlamp returns but now features sleek LED technology, casting a brighter, more efficient light on the road ahead. The minimalist front fender, sculpted forks, and vintage-inspired indicators remind you why the SR series has always had a cult following. Moving along the side, the SR 450's silhouette stays true to its heritage: a teardrop-shaped fuel tank adorned with retro Yamaha badges, a slim profile that emphasizes agility, and a beautifully stitched bench seat that promises comfort for both city cruising and longer weekend rides. The side panels are neatly integrated, giving the bike a tight, cohesive look, and the exposed engine components add just the right amount of mechanical rawness that enthusiasts will appreciate. Around the back, Yamaha keeps it simple yet striking. A compact LED taillight sits just below the classic rear loop, framed perfectly by the twin rear shocks and the spoked wheels. The overall stance feels balanced, confident, and genuinely appealing from every angle. Powering the 2025 SR 450 is an air-cooled 445cc single-cylinder engine. Yamaha has refined it further this year, making it more fuel-efficient while maintaining that iconic thump rider's grave. It delivers smooth, linear torque across the rev range, ensuring that whether you're navigating tight city streets or cruising on open highways, the SR 450 responds with ease and enthusiasm. On the performance side, this bike offers an incredibly accessible ride. The lightweight chassis combined with a low center of gravity gives the SR 450 outstanding maneuverability. The 5-speed gearbox shifts with buttery smoothness, and the upgraded suspension setup absorbs bumps better than ever. Yamaha has fine-tuned the brakes too, with a front disc and rear drum combination that feels responsive and confidence-inspiring without being overly aggressive. As for pricing, Yamaha has kept it refreshingly reasonable. The 2025 SR 450 starts at around $6,499, making it one of the best value classic-style motorcycles in its category. Considering the craftsmanship, reliability, and sheer riding enjoyment on offer, it's a tempting proposition for both new riders and seasoned enthusiasts alike. So, what's the final word? The 2025 Yamaha SR 450 isn't just a bike, it's an experience, a throwback to simpler times infused with today's technology and refinement. If you're after a machine that looks timeless, rides beautifully, and won't break the bank, the SR 450 definitely deserves a spot on your short list. Thanks for tuning into Global Bike Buzz. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth bike reviews, and let us know in the comments